Hello, and thank you for watching this video tutorial on how to register for classes and workshops at BNFYoga. So step one, open up your browser and we'll head on over to BNFYoga.com. On the home page now, you'll notice this Book a Class button, so go ahead and click on that. And we'll just scroll down a little bit to take a look at our schedule. You'll notice classes begin here Monday, November 8th. 11 a.m. We have either studio classes available or live stream. So studio classes take place at 2421 South Long Beach Road, up on the second floor. And live stream, you can join us from anywhere that you have a good internet connection. Live stream drop-ins are $10. And drop-ins for studio classes are $20. And don't worry, there's an option right here to buy discounted packages and memberships. And I'll show you that in a moment. If you are an existing Breathe and Flow Yoga student, but you do not have any current packages or memberships or classes or anything like that on your account, or if you are a student brand new to Breathe and Flow Yoga, you can just go ahead and click View Products and Packages. Now, I suggest buying a package before you register for a class because you won't see the package options when clicking sign up down here for the class. You'll only see the drop-in option. If you have a package and then you sign up for a class, it will apply your discounted class pack to that class. So we'll click on that, and I'm going to select the 10 class pass. That's good for in-studio classes or waterfront park classes when we have them. If you're joining us not in the studio, please make sure you pick one of the packages that says live stream. So I'm going to click Add to Cart. And again, as a user that has not paid for a package before or bought any classes, you'll see the screen here. So I made a test user called Frank Vinyasa. So I'm going to show you how to sign up with that. So you can put in your name, phone number, your email address. If you want to leave us a little note, you can put it in there. 10 class pass. And now I would click complete order, which will bring me to a page to check out with my credit card, and that's what you would do. But for now, I'm just going to use a quick testing code that I made that's going to just allow me to complete this so you can see what it looks like. So after you successfully place your purchase, you will see this order receipt. You'll get this in your email as well. And you'll see here that there's a code, which you can use later on for scheduling classes, or you can use your email address. Okay, so now we'll go over to Frank Vinyasa's Gmail account. Ooh, and you'll see now that there's a new email here from Breathe and Flow Yoga. Thank you for my order, and it's just a copy of my receipt. So now if I want to book a class, I'll just go back to BNFYoga.com, click on Book a Class, and let's see, this Vinyasa here with Leah on Thursday morning looks good. So I'll click sign up for that. I'll type in my information. And if you're joining us in the studio, you'll be asked to fill out this COVID questionnaire and read our terms and conditions. You'll have the option to be added to our mailing list if you have not been added yet. And now, since we have a package, you can just click right here on this Redeem Package button, type in your email or that code that was sent to our email, click Apply. Here you're told how much you have left available. And now you can click on Complete Appointment. And here we go. There's my confirmation. You can add it to your Outlook calendar or to your Google Calendar. And here's some information just to know before you come to class. And that's it. So you're now registered for class. We'll see you during class time. Now, if you are an existing Breathe and Flow Yoga student and you have a membership or classes on your account, please go to your email address, and I will be emailing everyone separately an email that looks like this. So I created a test user called Joe Mukasana. So we'll go to Joe's inbox. Oh, here's the email from Manny at Breathe and Flow Yoga. Please create your new account. Please click your unique link here. So I'm going to click this link. And now you can see this kind of brings you to our scheduling page. So again, first time logging in, I will create my account for the new system. Make sure you use the same email address that you used for the mind body system. And now you can see the total here is 0, and we'll just go and complete order. And now the existing membership that Joe had from the old Breathe and Flow Yoga system will now be on his new account. And we can tell by going to book a class. And let's see, we'll take this class here, go to sign up. And now we have a new user here, so we'll put in Joe's information. Once again, the questionnaire. Yes, I would like to be added to the email list. I've read the terms. Going to redeem package. Once again, I'll put my email address in there, click apply, and you can see that I have $40 left to use towards any of these $20 classes. So those are the 2 classes that I had left over from the old mind body system. So that's pretty much it. So if you have any questions, issues, concerns, comments, problems, please do not hesitate to reach out. I am more than happy to help. My name is Manny. You can reach me at the studio number 516-632-9626, or you can email me at Manny, M-A-N-N-Y, at BNFYoga.com. And within the next at least few days while we transfer over to the new system, I will be very responsive to calls and emails. So please do not hesitate to reach out.